Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is our topic. What is the role of judiciary? Courts like decisions on a very large number of issues. They can decide that no teacher can beat a student, or about the sharing of rivers waters between states, or they can punish people for particular crimes. Broadly speaking, the work that the judiciary does can be divided into the following: dispute resolutions. The judicial system provides mechanism for resolving disputes between citizens and the government, between two states governments, and between the central and the state governments. Judicial review. As the final interpret of the Constitution, the judiciary also has the power to strike down particular laws passed by the Parliament if it believes that there are violations of the basic structure of the Constitution. This is called judicial review. Upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. Every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court of the High Court if they believe that their fundamental rights have been violated. For example, in the class seventh book, you are read about Hakim Sheikh, an agricultural laborer who fell from a running train and injured himself, and whose conditions got worse because several hospitals refused to admit him. On hearing his case, the Supreme Court ruled that Article 21, which provides every citizen the fundamental rights to life, also includes the right to health. It therefore directed the West Bengal government to pay him compensation for the loss suffered, as well as to come up with a blueprint for primary health care with particular reference to treatment of patients during an emergency. Now, what is an independent judiciary? Imagine a situation in which a powerful politician has encroached on land belonging to your family Within this judicial system, the politicians has the power to appoint a crime judge from his office. When you take this case to court, the judge is clearly told to the politicians the control that the political holds over the judge does not allow for the judge to take any hidden decisions. Now, another, what is the Supreme Court of India? There are three different levels of the court in our country. There are several courts at the lower level, while there is only one at the apex level. The court that most people interact with are called subordinate or district courts. They are usually at the district or tahsil level or in towns, and they hear many kinds of cases. Each state is divided into districts that are presided over by a district judge. Each state has a high court, which is the highest court of that state. At the top is the Supreme Court, that is located in New Delhi and is decided over by the Chief Justice of India. The decisions may be the Supreme Court or binding on all other court in India.